Okay, I'm gonna review this vacuum. I don't know if I reviewed it before, but I'm gonna review it again. Hoover brush vac. It's got bristles. It's a Hoover. Made in Taiwan. The company is in North Canton, Ohio. Works really good. Watch this. There's all this shit right there. Before, after. This gets a 5 out of 5. Thumb faces. So if you find this in a thrift store or your buddy is throwing out shit and he's like, this is a piece of crap, I don't like it anymore, then go, this is snailing. Snailed it.
This guy is following me.
Yeah. Just fix the belt and it, yeah. Oh, and it's bagless. It's got a little canister right there, opening up the contents. It's got the little filter and you can air out, and it works great. Look at that. Oh shit, I'm sitting on a PlayStation and a Super Nintendo, an amp, and a hat. Uh-oh. I fucked it up. And the belt fell off. That's something you have to worry about. That fucks up with these. Get too much shit in there, the belt comes off. So, that's why I unplugged this one. Fix that in a minute. And then next review is this one. This one's the Pet Eraser. Oh shit! It's got this little rubber tip right there and it wipes all the hair off. And then you take this, take it off. And what did I do with it? My other pocket. There it is. Take this right here. And then now you got the regular vacuum end. plugged up too. This one's alright, only, like, mainly if you're just picking up pet hair and whatnot with this thing to wipe it up. It's very clumsy to get in corners and whatnot, so unless you got pet hairs to get up, then just pass. Otherwise, it's eh. So there's my vacuum reviews. Thanks for watching, and watch some more videos.